gonna take you to the fish market. This is where the fish. And I bought this and I bought that, and you gave me a good price. Look, this way is good. This is small. Ano mas dati yun? Habang sa, we tried this last night. So amazing. Let's see if I can ask for it like why mo cambio? Mercury drugstore. One of the Philippines. They're selling alcohol. So we're gonna go there and get some alcohol. Dai. May tanduay ka mo din ko nung alas sa may takon siya kung export. Ano siya ang tanduay mo? 268.50. They're asking for my card. Didn't even ask for my ID. I'm gonna do that. Mercury Drugstore.